Oscar, he's the guinea pig. He was in the movie G-Force.
Wow.
When I was a little girl, I went on a walk with my mom and my sister in a park near our house. We saw a mom and her ducklings swimming in the pond. We noticed one of the ducklings wasn't swimming so well. We were able to bring it to some local rehabbers. A few weeks later, they re-released the little duckling into the pond, and through it all, I realized that I wanted to work with animals for the rest of my life. I am lucky to work with a great team of animal trainers and staff here at the show, all who care for, love, and respect all of our animal stars. On behalf of everyone here at Universal's Animal Actors, we hope you have a great time and enjoy the show.
And now, please welcome one of Hollywood's top animal trainers, Miss Ariel Leonard.
Wow, hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Universal's Animal Actors Show. My name is Megan. I'm going to be filling in for Ariel today. And this is my friend Trip. Trip and I both work for a company that has been training animals for movies and television for over 40 years. Something you may not know is many of your favorite animal stars actually come from shelters and rescues. And just like my friend Trip, they got their start right here on this stage in front of a live audience. A little later in the show, we're going to show you just how Trip and his friends got their big break. But until then, buddy, you are all done. Off you go! Let's get this show started with a little friend of mine from the movie Ace Ventura, Pet Detective, and We Bought a Zoo. This is Sparky. Hi, Sparky. Now, Sparky has been trained to fly from one person to another. To help demonstrate this, I do need help from an adult volunteer. An adult volunteer, I saw your hand shoot up right here in the white shirt. Go ahead and stand up for me and take out a $1 bill. You can stay right there. You can stay right there and take out a $1 bill. Now, the reason I've asked her to take out that $1 bill, Sparky doesn't know her and may feel uncomfortable flying with someone he has never met. As seen in Universal's Evan Almighty, we have trained our birds to recognize and fly to a common object. In this case, it just happens to be a $1 bill. That's all right. Go ahead and stand up for me. Yeah, go ahead and stand up. I'm going to have you fold it in half. Fold it in half one more time. You're going to place it between two fingers. I'm going to have you hold that arm straight out to the side. Sparky's going to see that dollar and know exactly where to fly. Wow, thanks to 20. Enjoy the show. Anyone over here with a $50 bill? I'm just kidding. Go ahead and stand back up. We're going to get this dollar back to you, but we're going to make it a little bit easier. Go ahead and place both arms out. Now you flap real hard and fly down here and get it. One arm out. Just one arm. Palm up like a little landing pad. Sparky's has been a great sport. Go ahead and take it right back where you found it. And an excellent job by Sparky. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you, Sparky. Great way to start the show. There's some snacks for you. And you're all done. Off you go. Hey, check it out. That's our stagehand. Not only do we get to work with cute little birds like Sparky, sometimes we challenge ourselves with something larger, like a bird of prey. As seen in Universal's Lady Hawk, Matthew Broderick catches that hawk with both precision and grace in his spectacular feat of flight. We'd like to recreate a little bit of that movie magic. If you focus your attention to the closed box at the top of the arena, we're going to be flying down a star you may recognize from the movie 3:10 to Yuma. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Arrow. Train this bird all by herself. And it's a little awkward. And we're going to try one more time. No, I'm not. First bird afraid of heights. We're going to get another trainer out here, Noelle. And today's actually Noelle's birthday. Happy birthday, Noelle. Gonna go up there and see if we can get Kermit to fly down here to Julia. here, I have an idea. There's a lady right here with a 20. He flies a lot faster for that 20. We'll try with this bird. I'm just kidding. Stay seated. Thank you, Julia and Arrow. Arrow is a captive bred African auger buzzard, which is part of the raptor family, a group of birds consisting of hawks, kites, falcons, eagles, vultures, and owls. We'd like to introduce you to two of Arrow's cousins in a rare close-up appearance.
Whoa!
Say hello to Iris and Olympus.
Wow. That's huge.
Iris and Olympus are both Eurasian eagle owls. You may recognize them from the Harry Potter movies. You may also have seen them in TV episodes such as Bones, CSI, and most recently a Geico commercial. Now these birds are not endangered, but many of our native species are. So we here at Universal ask you to do your part so our beautiful, majestic creatures, just like these, never become endangered. How about a big round of applause for Iris and Olympus? Great job, you two. Thank you. I'd like to take this opportunity to introduce to you a new animal star here at Universal. This is Sweet Pea.
Really? That big door and that little stopper?
Those are some cool moves. What we'd like to show you our version of that high-flying scene with our stunt bird, Pepper, a blue and gold macaw.
Oh.
Amanda's going to trace Pepper and put Pepper into that strong current of wind. Once in flight, go ahead and look at the screen in the center of the stage to see how it comes together in the movies. And a beautiful flight by Pepper. Great job, you two. Thank you. Now, one of the most common questions we get asked is how do we get our animal stars to land a role in a movie or television series? Well, it all starts off with some basic training. To help demonstrate that, please help me welcome out a brand new animal star with her trainer, Julia. This is Clover.
Hi everyone! Thank you, Megan! In addition to knowing a number of basic behaviors, our dogs also need to be able to recognize hand cues and verbal cues. So I'm going to show you some of them right here with Clover. Are you ready? Come on over. Come on. Start the easy one. Lie down. Side. Side. Good. Head down. On your back. On your back. Come on. Stay. Straight up. On the box. Good. Sit. Play. Good. Play. Good. Stay. All right. Come here. Back up. Back. Good. Stay. Sit. Sit. Lie down. Crawl. Crawl. All right, good girl, Clover. Wow, nicely done. Thank you. Now, something more advanced than this is what we call the work way. But to demonstrate that, I need a young lady not afraid of animals who wants to come help me out here on stage. Now, young lady right here, you have a tank top on? Yeah, you can come up. I'll meet you right here at the top of these stairs. Come on up. Hi, what's your name?
Jenna,
Jenna, and where are you from?
Philadelphia.
Oh, Philadelphia. Wow, welcome to Hollywood. You're going to have a seat right there in that chair for me. You can sit back and relax. I'll get your co-star all set up. A really important tool we use on movie sets is a mark. It's just a black circle, but I can place it anywhere on our set. And Clover knows where I want her in the scene. Are you ready, Shell? Go, Mark. Good. Once they're on that mark, the way I can make it look like Clover's interacting with her co-star, I'm going to take some of her treats, place them right here in front of our actress. Good. Then I'm going to move behind Clover, and I'm simply going to tell her to watch it. Watch. Not them. They're watching you. Good. Sit. Clover, sit. What's so interesting out there? Sit. Clover, sit. It's the first thing I taught her and she forgot it. There we go. Lie down. Good. Side. Side. Back. Lie down. Straighten up. On your feet. Sit. Over, sit. Sit up. Alright, you can have it. And folks, that's over. And the work away.
Great job, you two. Thank you. You did a fantastic job too, so come right over here with me. I have a few things for you. You are officially a trainer for a day, and you get a Universal Express Pass. Thank you so much for helping us out. Big round of applause for our volunteer. Not only do our animal stars have to listen to us trainers, but sometimes they do have to take directions straight from an actor. So for this, I need help from a young boy this time. A young boy who wants to help me out. How about you right here? I saw your hand shoot up. Come over here, I'll meet you right over at these stairs.
I'm not sure how young they want.
Yeah, right.
Because we would have probably.
And what's your name?
Jeremiah.
Where are you from, Jeremiah?
Redlands.
Welcome to Hollywood. You're gonna come right over here with me and have a seat in this chair. Perfect. Now that we have our actor, all we need is his animal co-star from a Super Bowl Best Buy commercial. This is Cooper. Hi, Cooper.
Is that the same dog?
Okay, this is simple. Backstage, we have a huge pile of clothes. Anything you can think of. We have hat, shirt, shoes, pants, socks, hats, anything. I want you to think of 2 items. Once you have those items, go ahead and stay in your seat and whisper them to Cooper, and he's gonna run backstage and get them, all right? Was that 2? All right, Cooper, you heard the man. Go get those items. Now, folks, this is not a trick. This is actually a trained behavior. Cooper is backstage looking through that huge pile of clothes and is going to bring exactly what our actor has asked for. Now, he brought you a hat. Did you ask for a hat, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, folks. Great. We got the first one right. Awesome job, Cooper. You are so smart and handsome. Now, go get that second one. Now, once he gets the first one right, he never gets the second one wrong. This is going to be a 100% show. Cooper is going to bring exactly what our actor has asked for. Whoa, Cooper, where'd you get this? I am so sorry about that. That must have been a doggy mix-up backstage, but you're doing a great job, so go ahead and stand up for me. Wave to all your Hollywood fans. Big wave. Good. Take a bow. Where are you going? Come back. Sit. Good boy. You're well trained. There's your treat. I'm just kidding. Don't eat that. I'll take that from you. You are doing a great job, so can we keep you around for one more scene? All right. Take a walk with me. Oftentimes on set, the director wants our dogs to do things they have never done before, such as go over, around, or through something they have never seen. It's our job as animal trainers to help them through that, and what better way to demonstrate that than a friendly competition. With some of our favorite animal stars, we have Nanu and Reed. When we go on auditions, we love to give our dogs encouragement, so I need your guys' help. Everyone on this side, you are going to be cheering on Nanu. You may recognize Nanu. She played Kevin in the movie The Proposal. When I say lights, camera, action, I want you guys to scream and cheer as loud as you can. Let's try it out. Lights, camera, action! Woo!
Yeah!
That was pretty good. Now everyone on this side, you guys are going to be cheering on Reed. You may recognize Reed. He played Butterball in the Super Buddy movies. You know what to do. Lights, camera, action! Let's explain our scene. The director wants our dogs, one by one, to start by jumping over our human hurdle, weave in and out of these poles, shoot through that tunnel, jump back over our actor, and finish off by ringing that bell. Now we can only audition one dog at a time, and looks like little Nanu is up first. Lights, camera, action! Excellent audition by Nanu. Great cheering. You guys can go relax in your trailer. It looks like Reed is fired up and ready to go. Lights, camera, action! Okay, you're gonna do the tunnel. Up and over the kick. Up and over, up and over. Oh no, I'm so sorry. Go ahead and stand up for me. Well, it's gonna be a warm day. That's just gonna dry in no time. You're a fantastic actor, so I do have some things for you as well. You two are training for a day, and you get a Universal Express Pass. Big round of applause for our volunteer. What's happening over here?
Let me check him out. Oh no! Oh no, he's dead! Yeah, he's dead!
He doesn't look very dead. Alright, got an idea? Okay, we need some help, trainers. We need some help out here. Can anyone come out? Wait. I got an idea. Let's just run a CAT scan. A CAT scan is going to tell us exactly. Wait, that's a real cat. Wait a minute.
Reed, come back here! Reed!
Have you guys seen Reed back here? Back out on stage, please. Why is that door open? Where are the guinea pigs? You guys seen guinea pigs? I think they went this way. Did you guys get all those guinea pigs over here? Trainers get the guinea pigs? No. I said guinea pigs. Not guinea pigs. However, this is not your scene. Please go back to your green room where you don't touch that chicken. How'd you do that? Reed, folks, I'll be right back. Okay, folks, I am so sorry. I promise we are trained professionals. We have everything under control. What do you mean run? What are you running from? I'm gonna go see what our trainers are. I mean, that's just a stuffed animal. Come back here.
I'm having so much fun with. Oh.